Welcome back, students. Now observe this diagram. Here AB is your base, that is 6 centimeter, and we are drawing triangle PAB, triangle QAB, triangle RAB and triangle SAB. So we have total 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles. Now let's see. All the triangles are on the base. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So what can you say about the height of each of the triangles corresponding to the base AB? So height is all same. AP, this is the height of triangle PAB. Q, this is the height of QAB. R, this is the height of RAB, and S, height of SAB. Here for each and every triangle, height is equal. So what we can say? Can we say all the triangles are equal in area? Yes, because height and base and height both are equal. So whenever you find the area of this triangle, obviously the area of each triangle is equal. Means area of PAB, area of QAB, area of RAS and area of SAB, all are equal. So what we can conclude? All the congruent triangles are equal in area. But it is not necessary that if two triangles have same area means they are congruent. Why? Because it is not possible that perimeters are also same. Okay, so that's why all the congruent triangles are equal in area, but the triangles equal in area need not be congruent. Okay, turn the page. So consider the obtuse angle triangle. This is your obtuse angle triangle ABC of base 6 centimeter. Its height is AD, that is 4 centimeter, which is perpendicular from the vertex A, is outside the triangle. So we can find the area that 1/2 base into height. Okay. Now see some solved examples. One of the side of the corresponding height of a parallelogram are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. Find the area of the parallelogram. So whenever you solve such kind of examples, it is compulsory to draw the diagram because it will give you idea that what you want to find. You can get the measurement of sides, height, base, whatever it is given. So this is the diagram. 4 centimeter is your base and 3 centimeter is your height. So area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height, 4 into 3. Your answer is 12 centimeter square. Next, find the height x if the area of the parallelogram is 24 centimeter square and the base is 4 centimeters. So now here area is given, base is given, and you want to find the height. So same formula we have to apply. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Substitute the value. Area is given 24, base is given 4 and height is given x. So easily you can find the value of x, that is 6 centimeter. Next, the two sides of the parallelogram ABCD are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and the height corresponding to the base CD is 3 centimeter. Find the area and the height corresponding to the base AD. So first of all we draw the diagram ABCD where 6 centimeter is given and 3 centimeter is the height. For the same parallelogram we have to find this x. What is the height of this side? So first of all we find the area of parallelogram, that is B into H, 6 into 3, 18 centimeter square. So area remains same for this parallelogram. But now the height is different. Now we are calculating this height. So area we have calculated 18 centimeter square. Base is 4 centimeter, and for this base we want to find what is the height. So area of parallelogram is equal to B into x. 18 is equal to 4 into x. So x is equal to what? 18 by 4 will give you 4.5. So this way we can calculate the height. See the next question. Find the area of the following triangles. Okay. So this is the base 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter is the height. So 1/2 base into height, 1/2. This is your base, that is QR into PS. So 1/2 into 4 into 2, which is equal to 4 centimeter square. Here also 1/2 b into h we can apply, 3 into 2, that is 3 centimeter square. Next is find BC if the area is given 36 centimeter square and height is 3 centimeter. Same. So area of triangle is equal to 1/2 b into h, in which area is known, that is 36, 1/2 base is unknown, that we have to find, and height is given 3 centimeter. So easily you can find that base is equal to 36. This is in division, that will go here as a multiplication. So 36 into 2, 3 in multiplication, go here as a division, that is divide by 3. So answer is 24 centimeter. Next, in triangle PQR, PR is equal to 8 centimeter, QR is equal to 4 and PL is equal to 5. Find area of the triangle PQR and QM. Okay, QM is the another height, altitude. So QR is base, that is 4 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. So area is equal to 1/2 base into height will give you 10 centimeter square. Now we know the area. Now from this side, this is your base. For this base we want to find what is the height, means what is QM. So let's see. So PR is base 8 centimeter. So QM is equal to what? So area of triangle 1/2 into base into height. Area we know that 10 is equal to 1/2. Base is known, that is 8. Height we want to find. So height is equal to what? 10 by 4, that is 2.5. So QM is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this is all about the solved questions. Why we discuss the solved questions? So that you are getting the idea. You get the exact idea that what we want to do and how we can solve the given question. So on the basis of this, now we solve the exercise 11.2. Thank you.